Hey, this is Chinmai, and welcome to the brand new episode of Daily Dynamo, Season 3. So, Season 3 will be starting, a brand new series will be starting, and what to expect. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, this is Chinmai. So, welcome back. Well, in this episode is the brand new, the first one. Well, I want to introduce you to what Daily Dynamo is all about. Well, from the intro, you got to know that this is mainly focused for coaches, experts, and speakers. So if you have a message to sell, how do you actually sell? And how do you overcome the internal struggles of low confidence, self-esteem, to go and ask for that price when you're on the call on your client? You've done all the hard work of getting the lead, to getting them get to the appointment, getting them to book an appointment, and then on the appointment, on the strategy call, how do you close them? How do you actually overcome objections and continue getting sales every day? How do you actually handle that? And that's what I'll be focusing on. Yes, getting leads is critical. We will be handling that on few of the episodes moving forward, but mainly it will be on sales, because even if you have one or two leads, you do have 5 or 6 leads, known people who you can help. They are already there, they are existing. You can simply go out and reach out to them and sell. What does it take? What's stopping you from selling? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover here. And it's Daily Dynamo. Daily Dynamo means it's daily dose of motivation. And since it's restarting, I haven't come to a point, I haven't reached a cruising altitude. I'm still in the launch. So this is a launch again. So I'm going to apply the simplest strategy which I apply in my business and in life, called the gradient. The gradient, that means if I want to start something, I want to start at the pace I can handle, and I'm going to improve as along. So that I don't want to do something where I would record 7 episodes in one go, and then next week something else comes up and I stop the production abruptly. And that's not. I want to grow I want the episodes to grow with me, and I want my business to grow with the episodes. And that's why I'm going to start with 2 episodes this week, and I'm going to continue to increase to 1 episode every week, so that in the 7th week we would have reached 7 episodes. 7th week, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 6th week I would have reached 7 daily episodes. So that'll be fun. So what to expect? It's mindset, it's tools. I'll be talking about some tools I use every day for tracking, for CRM, and mainly it's mindset because it's a podcast and you can listen, and you will be listening on while you're driving, when you're commuting, when you're listening, when you're going on a run. So I want to mainly focus on what drives you to go for that sell, what motivates you to keep clearing misunderstanding words, keep clearing concepts which is absolutely true. However, when you apply it, it doesn't seem to get the results. So all of that I'm going to give you mind shifts every day. So daily shifts of what you thought was real, and I'll make you question your own reality, and along the way we'll have some fun. So that's what is in line for Daily Dynamo Podcast. To subscribe, all you have to do is go to dailydynamopodcast.com, and you can subscribe to any of your favorite platforms. It's on across all platforms, on Apple, Google, and iTunes, and Spotify. So yeah, it'll be fun. So I will see you in the next episode, and I will start off with today's Tuesday. I will start off with Tuesday and Thursday. On Friday, I'll start with Tuesday and Friday, and then I will slowly increase it. I'll add one more day, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.